So here is the best paid text-to-speech software right now, and the tool is 11 Labs. So before we start, you can go ahead and click on my link down in the description to get discounts on 11 Labs. So as you can see, we're currently in the 11 Labs website, and on the top here, we have the pricing section. If you go over to pricing, you can view all the plans that they offer, starting with free, starter, creator, and pro. You can also choose between monthly and yearly billing. Also, you can choose between 11 creative, 11 agents, and 11 API, with rates varying between each. Now, let's click on Login on the top. If you don't have an account, you can sign up using my link. So once you're in, this is what the dashboard will look like. You can scroll through to check it out. Now, let's go over to the left. Here, you can see all of these options that you can use, such as voices, studio, flows, templates, and more. But for this video, we will be using text-to-speech. Once you click on it, you'll be brought to this page. And this right here is where you type in or paste in your text. So I'll just go ahead and type in something as an example. Let's type in something like this is a test. So once you're done typing in or pasting in your text, let's move on to the right side panel where you can see the option that says voice. Let's click on it and you will get to view all the voices available for you to use. Here under Explore, you can see all of these voices. You can also use the search bar to search for any voice that you want. Also, there are multiple filter options such as languages. You can go through all of these languages or use the search bar to search for any one that you want. Then you have accent and category. Over here, you have multiple categories to choose from. So go through them and choose whichever one that is relevant. Then we have gender. You can choose between male, female, and neutral. You can also choose which age group you want. You can also use these options to sort through the voices. If you click on the settings button, you will get to see some more options like quality, notice period, custom rates, live moderation. So if you have some strict criterias, just go through them one by one and set them up according to your needs. Now, let's go back to the voices section, and here you can click on the play button on each of the voices to get a preview.
You could listen to this rare
This makes it so much easier to choose the voices. And here, if you click on the three dots, you can see options like copy voice link, copy voice ID, and view history. But we won't be needing any of that for now. Let's click on the voice and it will be selected. So once you've set the voice, you then have the model option. If you click on it, you'll be able to view all the models that they have, such as 11v3, which is the most expressive model that they have. Then we have 11 multilingual v2. This is set to create the most lifelike voices on 11 Labs. And for faster and cheaper generations, you can use 11 Flash 2.5. But let's go with multilingual v2. Then we have these options like speed. You can use the slider to adjust the speed according to your preference. You can start with 1 or just move it slightly up or down. Then we have stability. Same way, use the slider and adjust it according to your preference. After that, there's similarity. And lastly, we have style exaggeration. So go through each one of them and set them up according to your preference. Also, if the text you're using has multiple languages, you can enable the language override option. Then keep it on auto, or you can also choose any of the languages available. But for now, I'll keep it turned off. Then we have the output format. On the free version, this is the only one available. And here we have the speaker boost option. I usually keep it turned on. So once you're done setting it up, just click on Generate Speech, and it will start playing in a few seconds.
This is a test to hear how this voice sounds.
And as you can see, it turned out really good. This was the multilingual v2. Now, let's check out the 11 v3 model. And as you can see, the settings are different for this one. We only have the stability option. But beside Generate, you can see an Enhance option that you can use to enhance the text that you've put. The audios are now ready.
This is a test to hear.
Let's click the play button.
how this voice sounds.
Let's check the second version as well.
This is a test to hear how this voice sounds.
So both of these versions turned out really well. Once you're done, just click on the download option for whichever one that you want. And that's it. This right here is the best paid text-to-speech software right now.